Want a slick factory-looking dash cam solution for your Corolla? Stay tuned. I was just not happy with my other dash cam solution. It was a traditional one that was attached to the window via suction cup and had a power cable running across and down the side of the windshield. It kept falling off and the cable ran near the side airbag and it interfered with my sunshade. So I purchased the Fitcamx 4K dash cam specifically for the 12th generation Corolla. I'll put a link in the description below. Let's open up the box. And here's how the inside of the box looks. Let me go over each component individually. In the box we have the cover with the integrated camera. The cover will replace the OEM cover currently in the car. The existing wires in your car will be used, so you don't have to run a cable from the camera down the side of your window and into a USB outlet on your dash. Let's see, the cover comes with a micro SD card. Let's see. Push in, and then that ejects the micro SD card. Looks like it's a 64 gigabyte card. And looks like we got two buttons, one for power, the other one for capturing a picture. Let's see. And it looks like there is a protective film on the lens itself. I got to remind myself to remove it post-install. And next we have a splitter. This one goes into the factory outlet. This one connects to the factory plug. And this one goes to the new camera. And the fact that they use foam to reduce rattles is a nice touch. And next we have the top cover, which has two tabs. All right, it slides in here, and you must click this into place when you're ready for the final install. And finally, we have the trim removal tool, or a panel popper. We have a USB to micro SD card converter, and we have the manual itself. All right, let's do the install. And before using the camera, it's recommended that you format the micro SD card. The micro SD card was inserted into the USB adapter, which was then inserted into my Windows computer. Let's see, the USB drive was then recognized. We're going to right click, select format. The recommended file system type is extFAT. I'm going to give it the label Fitcamx. Quick format is fine. And just click start. First, tilt down the mirror to make some room. Next, let's remove the small panel here. Next, pull down on the sides and out of the way. And next, we're going to have to remove these two clips, and they go out this way. So my recommendation is to use the panel popper on the bottom and then just a small flathead screwdriver on the top. Also, you could pull down on the bottom one and then use the flathead for the top. And now put the retaining clips onto the new cover. They should just click into place. And now we're just going to remove the factory plug, push in on this tab, and pull out. Now we're going to grab the splitter and insert it into the factory plug. And now the factory plug is going to be connected into the splitter. And now the cable from the camera is going to be inserted into the splitter. And now let's attach the cover to the windshield. And there appears to be more room in this area, so I made the or pushed the splitter wiring towards the top. And the final cover has 2 tabs that need to be inserted into these holes. And let's just click it into place. All right, next, let's remove the protective film. All right, and here are the 2 covers side by side, and the only difference is the bump right here to accommodate the camera. All right, let's turn on the car and confirm that we have the activity LEDs. All right, it's looking good. All right, I downloaded the Fitcamx application, went to Wi-Fi on my iPhone, and then the Wi-Fi network starts with CAR. So let's select that network. And the default password is 12345678. And then now we flip to the Fitcamx app and we're going to add the camera. Allow. Okay. And connect to camera. Nice. And the camera is functioning as expected. And let's check out the settings. And let's scroll down a little bit. And let's just keep it with the out-of-the-box settings for now. Okay, I'm going to test this out for the next few weeks and get back with you with the review. To get the maximum quality of the camera, I did up the video resolution to 4K. The sound was removed from the videos. Here's a standard daytime shot. Here's one with glare from the sun. And here's some shots at night. I've been extremely happy with this solution. I didn't have to deal with routing cables. The camera turns on automatically when the car is turned on, then stops recording when it's put in park and locked. There's no need to do anything under normal use after setting up the preferences. I love how clean the install looks. No camera suction cup to your window. I did end up upgrading the SD card to a SanDisk Extreme 256 gig micro SD card recommended by Fitcamx to get a little extra capacity just in case. I'll put a link to this camera and card in the description below. A quick note, there is a different dash cam model for 2019 to 2022 cars and another one for 2023 and up. If you found this video helpful, please click like, and if you want to see more of my videos, please click subscribe. Thank you.